Learn the fresh and rested makeup look. So on those days when you don't want to feel like you're wearing a full face of foundation but still want to look rested and get rid of bad boys like these, you can apply it to create the illusion of perfected skin. Put most of the coverage on the inner corner of the eye. This is where we have most darkness, around the nostril, center of the chin, the corner of my mouth, on the forehead. If you're someone that has redness on their cheek, perhaps rosacea, then you can make yourself little redness kitten whiskers. Using your ring finger, which is this one here, pat in that concealer. It's better to spend a little bit more time doing this because it will give you superior results. Areas that I have least darkness, wipe and blend the concealer into those parts. With the leftover, press it onto my lids, around my nose again, I'm gonna pat on my cheek, and then to blend, you'd shear it out around your jawline. So you're getting the tiniest amount around here. This will give the illusion that the rest of your face is perfected. Because my dark circles today are particularly dark, I'm gonna add another layer. This is a medium coverage concealer that you can layer up to be full. It doesn't give a totally matte finish to the skin. It gives more of a satin look, so it keeps the skin looking really real. Luster powder. It's not a face powder that sets your makeup. It's not a blusher. It's not a bronzer. It's actually been designed to create a very natural looking glow to the face. When we want to look effortless but rejuvenated, this is a really clever powder to use. You're going to get a big fluffy brush like this, tap off on the back of your hand, just delicately swirl on the cheeks. Can you see? And what's left on your brush, squeeze your brush together like that, wipe onto your lids. I love how that's really given my cheekbone that lift and pop. If you don't want as much lift to your cheekbone, simply apply less. Dust off a little bit more on the back of your hand. From the end of the brush, you'll hold the brush lighter to your skin so you'll get less coverage. If you want a heavier coverage, then hold the brush nearer to the bristles. So let's hold it a little bit further away, give it a little dusting. You see, still gives a nice look to the cheekbone, which I love. So this is the mascara, and I've put 2 coats on. It's really quick to apply. It does not budge or smudge, so I don't have to worry about rubbing my eyes. You could do 1 coat and it look more natural, or you could keep going with it and really build up that look. This little tube is just beautiful. It's a lip and cheek tint. It has in the middle balmy hyaluronic acid. Rewind. Hyaluronic acid is what we have naturally in our skin, and it makes our skin appear smooth and plump. So having it in the middle of this lip color makes this a lip color and lip treatment in one. Swipe it on. There are other colours of this, and I'll put the link. Let me show you how I like to wear it on my cheeks. Tap it on the centre of my cheek, very lightly, big circular motions up towards my temple. And you could do a little, or you could build up. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I will see you soon at Beauty in the Boutique or in another video. Bye. Use code 20 to unlock 20% off 3 makeup must-haves today in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.